and then it will be looking for a nice new home. Not you, the van. I thought I'd quickly take this opportunity to show you guys that van life doesn't actually mean living under blue skies on hot beaches like you see in all the photos. There is a lot more to it than that, and it's all positive as far as I'm concerned. Right now I am actually parked up on an industrial estate. Now obviously I'm not going to broadcast to the world exactly where I am, but this place at the moment is bringing me more happiness and enjoyment than any beach possibly could, because right now I'm parked up in these beautiful surroundings and I have so many projects on the go. So what I'm trying to get at is van life is no different to any other lifestyle. If I was living in a house, I could probably still do this if I could financially do it, but I would just be residing in bricks instead. But as it is, I'm in my van, which is right there, and I've got all my projects on the go around me. So let's have a guided tour, shall we? We've got the trailer, which is coming on really nicely with the canopy and everything on it as well. And just behind there we've got my dad's Renault Traffic, which is off to have the clutch done next week. And then hiding behind here we have got the LDV minibus, which is going to be a future project. I'm hoping it's going to be something for this year, but it might be next year, we'll see. Then of course we've got Old Faithful, my Land Rover 90. There she is. She's going to have a respray very, very soon. I'm not even going to let you guess what colour, because you're going to guess it straight away. And then, of course, we have home. So there you are seeing real van life, real enjoyment, and lots of exciting projects. So, speaking of projects, it's time I got on with them. I'll catch you in a bit. Today is a beautifully dry day, so I'm going to take a little bit of a break from the trailer, which is sitting right there, and it's coming on really well, and I'm going to get some jobs done on the Defender, because when your passengers have to crawl in through the back over the centre console to get into their seats, it's a little bit inconvenient. So my plan today is to get that sorted. And also, it would be a nice bonus to be able to lock the doors. So, let's get it done. Now I'm happy because I have got a Defender that has got working door locks. Happy days. It turned out there was actually not the electrics at fault, but through the winter the locking mechanisms in both doors had seized, so I freed them off and the central locking works again, so it's all good. I don't really need central locking in a Defender. It was one of my harebrained ideas a long time ago because I thought it'd be convenient, and it is convenient until it plays up, so we'll keep it for now until the actual electronics do play up, and then we'll rip it out. So, another good job done. I woke up the other morning with a wet bed. Now that's nothing to do with age, that is simply rain, and the culprit I think is the skylight, which I fitted probably about 7 years ago. The sealant has probably gone brittle. So what I've done this time is I've used flash banding, and I've put it on with a heat gun, and I've put a coat of solar reflective rubberized paint over the top of it. Hopefully the rain will hold off for long enough for the paint to dry, and before long I'll find out if I have a sealed roof. I'll keep you posted on that one. Well, good morning. It has been torrential rain all night, and I am delighted to report that my roof has stopped leaking. I had a dry bed this morning. So, as per traditional van life videos, let's take a look at this morning's amazing view out of the window. Are we ready for this? Just look at that. What a beautiful brick wall, a drain pipe. Obviously I'm taking the mick because in my normal videos when we're travelling we do get amazing views, but at the moment we are having amazing maintenance days and project days, which is all great fun. So even though it's pouring with rain today, I'm going to be cracking on with the trailer. Let's get to it. Here we are working away inside the trailer today. Now, if ever there's a good test that the trailer is watertight, today is it. It is torrential rain outside, and so far we are completely dry in here with no sign of any leaks, so I'm happy with that. The internal job today is wiring. I've already fitted the LED lights on the outside. I've put the LED marker lights on the sides and the front marker lights on the front, the clear ones. So today, on the inside, I'm doing all the wiring, soldering up all the cables, heat shrinking the joints and taping everything to the walls, ready so it's all nice and neat before it comes to ply lining the inside. It's all good stuff. We've got ply lining, insulation, polycarbonate ceiling, LED lights on the inside, LED floodlights on the outside, and the lovely new canopy as well. So we're really getting on, and the next step is to build the bench and get the walls finished off. And yeah, I've ordered some new wheels and tyres today, so hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. Exciting times. Good morning. I am absolutely blown away by the generosity and the kindness of people. You know who you are, but for the Amazon wish list this week, thank you so much. Your generosity is incredible. And although I've been asked not to name names on the video, I'm just going to say thank you so much from both of us. I've got to take the label off it first. Today is MOT day for the Renault Traffic, and it's also having the clutch done first, obviously. We're going to tow it down there on the rope because it's only just down the road, and hopefully it'll pass, all will be good with it, and then it will be looking for a nice new home. Not you, the van. I'll see you in a bit. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on BeyondTheVan.com. See you soon.